Hi students, today we are going to continue our topic De Moivre's theorem. We did some problems related to De Moivre's theorem. Also, we did the problems related to polar form. Using the polar form and De Moivre's theorem, we did so many problems in the previous class. Let us go for some more problems related to De Moivre's theorem. Now we are going to do a question, a problem as like this. Find all the values of. The question is find all the values of minus I power 1 by 6 minus I power 1 by 6. Okay. Now we are going to do this problem like this. Okay. Now listen, the solution. Let minus I equal to 0 minus I or 0 minus 1I. Okay. Now take its polar form r cos theta plus IR sin theta. Take its polar form or mod amplitude form. Okay. Now this is in the form of x plus Iy. X is the real part 0, y is the imaginary part 1. So x equal to r equal to root of x square plus y square. This can be taken as root of x square 0 square, y square 1 square. What will come? 1 will come. Now equating the real and imaginary parts on both sides. What is real part here? Right side r cos theta. Left side real part 0. So r cos theta equal to 0. R sin theta imaginary. Left side imaginary minus I. What is its coefficient? Minus 1. This is imaginary. Take r equal to 1. Cos theta is 0. Sin theta is minus 1. So treating this 0 as positive, this is negative. Cos theta positive, sin theta negative. Theta lies in second quadrant. Theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, taking principal argument value as like this. Value theta equal to pi minus angle. Angle is how much? Theta is 0. Theta is 0 without negative sign. Pi minus 0. So theta equal to pi in second quadrant. So polar form take like this. So one more important thing here. This theta treating as alpha, we are going to find all values. When we have to take all values, take the general solution. All means here power 1 by 6, 6 values will come. So that's why this principal argument value treating as alpha. Now take its general solution. Common general solution. Theta equal to 2k pi plus alpha, k belongs to z. Now theta equal to 2k pi plus alpha is pi, k belongs to z. this is nothing but 2k plus 1 into pi, k belongs to z. Understand? Take like this. Now we are going to write its polar form. What is polar form? Understand? Let us see its polar form. Okay? Now, polar form equals to this is listen one thing, theta, one more thing, cos theta positive, sin theta negative, theta lies in fourth quadrant. Cos theta positive, sin theta negative, theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, take principal argument value as like this, minus angle, sin theta minus pi by 2. Okay? Here, listen, cos theta positive, sin theta negative. Cos theta positive, sin theta negative, theta lies in fourth quadrant. Principal argument value in fourth quadrant, take minus angle, cos pi by 2 0, sin pi by 2 1, minus pi by 2. General solution like this, theta equal to 2k pi plus alpha minus pi by 2, k belongs to z. Understand? This can be taken as, okay, LCM 4k pi minus pi by 2, k belongs to z, or otherwise 4k minus 1 into pi by 2, k belongs to z. Okay? This is now polar form. We are going to write the polar form is minus I equal to r equal to 1. Cos theta means 4k minus 1 pi by 2 plus I, r value 1, sin 4k minus 1 pi by 2, k belongs to z. Now, this can be taken as, okay, this is nothing but minus take power 6, minus I power 1 by 6 value is required. This can be taken as cos 4k minus 1 pi by 2 plus I sin 4k minus 1 pi by 2, okay, whole power 1 by 6, k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now, this can be taken as, apply the De Moivre's theorem, cos, okay, multiplying with 1 by 6, 4k minus 1 into pi by 2 into 1 by 6. Okay? Take like this. Now, plus I sin 4k minus 1 into pi by 2 into 1 by 6. K equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values. Next, this can be taken as cos theta plus I sin theta, cos 4k minus 1 pi by 2 into 1 by 6, pi by 12, plus I sin 4k minus 1 into pi by 12, k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This can be written as cis 4k minus 1 into pi by 12. K equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understand? This is our required result. Okay? Next, let us go for another problem. If x equal to cis theta, then find the value of x equal to cis theta, then find the value of x power 6 plus, then find the value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. Okay. Now this can be taken as like this. Given x equal to cis theta, x equal to cis nothing but cos theta plus I sin theta. Take the value of x power 6 cos theta plus I sin theta power 6. Apply the De Moivre's theorem. Cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta. This is x power 6 value. To take 1 by x power 6, wherever I is there, replace it by minus I 6 theta. Now it can be taken as like this. Now x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 equal to cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta plus 1 by x power 6 value cos 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta, minus I sin 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta get cancelled. 2 cos 6 theta. This is our required result. Okay. Now one formula as like this. We are going to another problem. Question as like this. Another question is, find the cube roots of 8. Find the cube roots of 8. We are going to find cube roots of 8. Okay. The cube roots of 8 is, okay. Now the cube roots of a positive real number. Formula: the cube roots of a cube roots. The cube root, one more important thing, cube, if omega is a cube root of unity, then we have conditions as like this. Omega cube 1 and 1 plus omega square 0. We should follow these conditions. Also one formula is there as like this formula. Okay. If the cube roots of a positive real number are, the cube roots of a positive real number, A R. Formula is like this: a power 1 by 3, a power 1 by 3 omega, a power 1 by 3 omega square. What is our question? We are going to find the cube root of 8. So, let A equal to 8. Understand? What will come? So, cube root of 8 are cube root of 8 are 8 power 1 by 3, comma 8 power 1 by 3 omega, 8 power 1 by 3 omega square. 8 power 1 by 3 value how much? 8 power 1 by 3 equal to 2 cube power 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled. 2 will come. This is 2 comma 2 omega comma 2 omega square, which are the cube roots of 8. Understand? 2 comma 2 omega comma 2 omega square. Next, one more question. In triangle ABC, we are going to do one more question. Question is, in triangle ABC, okay, are angles of triangle such that angles of triangle such that small x equal to cis A, y equal to cis B, z equal to cis C. Okay. Next, then find the value of x, y, z. Then find the value of x into y into z. Understand? Okay. Now let us see this solution. The solution of this question is, what are given? Given x equal to cis A, y equal to cis B, z equal to cis C. Now x into y into z equal to cis A into cis B into cis C. Cis theta 1 into theta 2 into theta 3. How much? Cis theta 1 plus theta 3. Cis of A plus B plus C. Okay. Listen one thing. Since A comma B comma C are angles of a triangle, angles of a triangle ABC, then what will come? A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees pi. So what will come here? Cis pi. This can be taken as, we can get xyz equal to cis pi. Cis pi nothing but cos pi plus I sin pi. Cos pi minus 1, Sin pi 0. What will come here? Minus 1 came. Okay. Now let us go for one more question. The another question is, before going to do the another question, okay, now here first of all we have to write the conditions of cube roots of unity. Okay, I have already explained, but one more time how to use it. Actually, cube roots of unity, cube roots of unity. Okay, if omega follows the cube roots of unity, if omega follows the cube roots of unity like this, suppose let x equal to cube root of unity. Understand? X equal to 1 power 1 by 3, cubing on both sides. X cube equal to 1, x cube minus 1 equal 0. This is x cube minus 1 cube equal 0. A plus b into a minus b form. X minus 1. X square, x plus 1 equals 0. What are came here? X equal to 1, x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Understand? Here, listen. This is solve it by minus b. Plus or minus. This is a quadratic equation in this form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This can be taken as like this formula, x equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Understand? Now, this can be taken as minus b minus 1 b square, b value 1, 4, a1 c1 by 2 into 1. This is minus 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4 minus 3. This can be taken as, okay, let x equal to minus 1 plus or minus root minus 1 into root 3 by 2. X equal to minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. Because I value is root minus 1. Let one of the root is omega. Another root is omega square. Minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Now, with the help of this, 1 plus omega square value will come. And also, omega cube value will come as 1. Omega cube means 1 plus omega square means 1 plus. What will come here? Let us check. 1 plus omega minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. What will come here? LCM 2. 2 plus minus 1 plus I root 3 minus 1 minus I root 3. What will come? It is get cancelled. Minus 1, 2. 0 by 2 get 0. So, what will come? 1 plus omega square is 0. As well as, what will come? Omega cube value. Now, consider omega into omega square value. Minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. A plus b into a minus b form. Minus 1 square 1 minus I square root 3 square 3 by 4. I square value how much? Minus 1. So 1 plus 3 by 4. Since I square value minus 1. What will come here? 4 by 4. What will come? Get 1. Omega square into omega into omega square. Omega cube equal to 1 came. Understand? The remaining problems we should do in the next class.